Mecca is my favourite beauty store. Every few months you get a beauty loop bonus, which is some freebies. We all like freebies, don't we? This package, we'll see what's in there, is their 25th anniversary package. So, yes, Mecca celebrates. 25 years is a pretty long time for a beauty firm. Ooh, okay, let's see what we've got. Let's lay them out. Tatcha. Oh, there's quite a bit. Okay, so first, Tatcha, the Dewy Skin Cream. That's actually 10 mils. That's a decent size. That's more than a... Oh, don't you love packaging? Love anything in purple. Oh, will we try this? I think we will. Replenishing and plumping. Oh, Japanese purple rice. I love Asian brands. That is lush. Thank you, Mecca. That's really nice. Okay, what else have we got here? Ellis Brooklyn White Musk Perfume. The Repair Shop. I might need some of that. Is this back filler? No. Nice. A nourishing repair mask for plump, hydrated and glowing skin. I'll be trying that out. How do we use it? Put it on dry skin, 10 to 15 minutes. Sounds good to me. I can try that later today. Kosas. Air brow. I wonder what the hell that is. For a Lamington effect? I used to use their concealer, Kosas. It was beautiful. But of course it goes out of... They stopped making it. Clear lifting treatment gel with Lamington. Oh, lamination effect. I thought it said Lamington. Aussie, I had Lamingtons in the brain. Yeah, I can't get that one open, so we'll have to open that later and check that out. And the last thing is some Tinted Lip Balm with SPF 30. Thank you, Mecca.